Right, so in this video we are going to learn about how to solve logarithmic equations. Okay, so let's look at the first question. It says log blah 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 is equal to that. Okay, so now the first thing I want you to look at is to consider this sign here is plus, right? Now that means that we can apply what we call the multiplication law. Okay, so our solution will become log. Now we are going to multiply them. So we have 4x, okay, base 2 is equal to log 20 base 2. All right, so you can say this cancels that. Well, it's a loose argument to make, but it's susceptible if you say the log cancels the log. So that you are left with 4x is equal to 20. That means that x is equal to what? 5, okay? So you've solved it nicely. All right, let's consider another. So we have this case. So that is going to be the same argument. Due to the plus here, we are going to multiply the two logs. So we have 5 into bracket 5 minus 5. All right, to the base 4 is equal to 2 log this guy. Right, so the next thing that happens is that you are going to have log 5x minus 15 to the base 4 is equal to that. Now, this friend of ours here, it has to come up, okay? We are applying the power rule of logarithm. So that is log 10 squared base 4. So now we can say log base 4, they go away. So what we do have now is 5x minus 15 is equal to 100. And that means that we have 5x is equal to 115. X will give us what? So 115 divided by 5, that is 23, okay? X is 23. All right. Let's consider the third example. So what we have here, you can see that now this is 2. Okay, it's not in the log form. The first thing you need is to get it in the log form. Do you remember this rule I gave you? The log of a particular number to the same base is what? Is 1. Now, what is the base here? Well, if you see a log without a base, it means that it's already in base 10. Okay? Therefore, you have log x plus log x minus 15 is equal to 2 log what would you use? The same base. All right, so that is in the base 10, so that's 2 log 10. Okay, all right, then you would apply this addition rule, which is the multiply the components themselves. So you have log x into bracket x minus 15 is equal to log 10 square. Okay, I brought the 2 up here. All right, so that means that I can say this goes with that. So I have x squared minus 15x is equal to 100. Then I have x squared minus 15x minus 100 is equal to 0. Right, so this is a quadratic, and this video is not about quadratic, so I'm just going to use my calculator to solve it quickly. So negative 15, negative 100. So that means that you get x is equal to 20, and then x is equal to negative 5. Now, the log of a negative value does not exist, so we cannot accept this answer. Therefore, our final answer is x equals 20.